to terms with this. The Bible says true religion is visiting the fatherless and the widows and helping them in their problems or their troubles, helping them meet their needs. That is religion. Religion, there is a religion which is an aspect of Christianity. Christianity is not a religion. Christianity is partaking of the divine nature and walking in the virtues of God. That's Christianity. Christianity is divinity alive in humanity. That's Christianity. It is the practice of the heavenly on earth. That's Christianity. It's not a religion.